So we've gone through a lot of handles for casement doors, casement windows and sliding doors and sliding windows from Alualpha, along with a lot of other equipment like the rod ends, the locking points, hinges. It is a little difficult to remember all the codes right from the very beginning, but here are a few memory tips which will help you to remember some of the codes. Now the handle codes that are starting with 6, they would mean the global range. As you're aware, we have the global range, the millennium range, the reflex plus, reflex range and the curva. So the global range handles will always start with the numeral 6. The millennium range will always start with the number 5. Reflex plus or reflex range handles would, their codes would start with a number 4. Also, curva for the casement doors, the handles for the mortise locks would start with a 3. If you see a 2, it means either a star or an eco range. 2-4 is a star and 2-6 is eco range. Handle codes starting with 70 or handle codes ending with 70 or 7 would mean a single point locking. Handle codes ending with 8 would be a handle suitable for multi-point locking or for use in UPVC. Handle codes ending with 10 means 2, 4, 6, 8 point locking for casement windows opening outwards. K at the end of the handle code would mean that the handle has a key with it. All keys are master keys, as I have said before. So if you buy one handle with a key, that same key will be good to operate on all handles. Handle codes ending with 5 or 15 are handles for mortise locks or off casement doors. 5 handles can take a maximum of 55 mm profile width. E, if the handle code is ending with an E, then it is a mortise lock handle for casement door, and the spindle of the handle is 8 mm square. Handle codes ending with 8 are multi-point locking in sliding and UPVC, sliding aluminium and UPVC windows. 70, 80, handle codes ending with 70 or 80 except the global range are detachable handles for casement windows. They are to be used with 47P handles, and it is good to have a finger pull element 9750 which is available in the millennium range. Handle codes ending with 50 or 60 are for facades except in the curva range, which means the global and millennium and reflex range. You have a 650, a 550 or a 450. They are meant for facades. On sliding locks, I means a snap fit and P means the sliding is fixed with screws. The handle is fixed with screws on the profile. Some other important stats and facts. In the global range casements, the 61061K, if there is no suffix, the fork length is 21 mm. If there is a suffix M, then the fork length is 27 mm, and if there is a suffix L, the fork length is 37 mm. 642 handle in the global range has a slotted fork and uses 33030 pin, which is 20 mm long, or 33031 pin, which is 25 mm long. The thread on these two pins is M5. The millennium range casement handles 510 and 510K. If there is no suffix, the fork length is 19 mm. If there is a suffix, then the fork length is 27.5 mm. Sliding nibs G1 are for 247 or the star range or for sliding doors, and this G1 nibs are made of stainless steel or inox steel. Sliding nibs G5 are for 2.6 range of sliding locks, that is the eco range, and the material is nickel steel or MS. Tilt and turn OBG6 plus, we need a Euro groove for it. A C220 restrictor is required. Assembly instructions would be in the box. 4-point locking, extra locking would be through kit. Largest window done till date 1.5 meter by 2.1 meter. If you want a tilt and turn window, then you should specify a compass 18217 and 18228. If you want a turn and tilt, then you should specify a compass which is 18243 or 18244.